7, 8. Bop, bop, bop.
Feeling the beat, a professional dance instructor is at Beaufort Elementary School teaching students how to hip-hop dance. During the week-long workshop, the instructor is introducing each class to the fundamentals of hip-hop.
So pretty much all hip-hop, no matter what, you must bend your legs so it can look a little bit more better and understand the groove and everything. Once you find the groove, you can add on more for your body. So we were mostly working on our rock, which is pretty much going more with our side to side with our upper body a little bit. So we've been trying to do all kinds of variations for the rock and everything. So we were teaching them the foundations of hip-hop. And there's many foundations of it, but we were going on our first main two, which was bounce and rock.
The older students also learned how to plan out a dance routine.
Since they're the older ones, I want to give them a little more of a challenge. So I taught them a little bit of choreography, which gave them an understanding of how I dance and make my choreo, which consists of wordplay, musicality, finding ways to stay moving and telling the whole story with your body flow and movements and whatnot. Boom, it brings you down.
The kids are working hard, making sure they're hitting all the right moves.
We just connected moves to the words. So like the first line is my chains to silly. So you go my chains to silly. And so you just connect the moves to the words.
As the workshop wrapped up, the school held a hip-hop dance showcase, giving every student the chance to show off their moves.
I've enjoyed getting to learn the moves and watching him show them off, so it's easier for us to understand. It's a lot easier when they're doing it with you.
I liked learning about him and his dance because you get to kind of get loose and get down, do different types of dances that you've never heard of before.
Even the instructor joined the dance party, busting out some of his own moves. The students are excited they had the opportunity to learn about hip-hop dancing.
Dancing is, to me, also kind of like an exercise, so it gets your body moving, and it's just fun. So while you're exercising, you're having fun.
It kind of expresses emotions, and you can really do what you want with the music.
The hip-hop dance workshop was sponsored by the Art Center of Coastal Carolina in the school's PTO. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.